Hi, when you first open the app, this is the first page that you'll find. So we want to log in. So you click on login, you input your phone number and the password that you chose. After logging in, this is the first page that we'll see. This is the home page. So here we'll find lower primary, upper primary, junior secondary, and high school. So once we click on high school, we'll find the different classes that we have under high school. You click on English set books. Here you'll find the topics that we have under English set books. So if we click on Fathers of Nations, here you'll find the topics under Fathers of Nations. We click on Themes in Fathers of Nations. Here you'll find what the lesson entails. The first lesson is always a free lesson. So if you click on Start Learning, on this page you'll find the video lessons. So this is a full lesson by one of our teachers, Mr. Stanley. So under this page, you'll also get the lesson notes and the quizzes. So if you click on review quizzes, here you'll find the quizzes for the lesson, themes, and the Fathers of Nation. We've integrated with AI, so this helps mark the questions. So we want to go back to the quizzes. So if you click on quiz and start quiz, so this is the first question. How does Dr. Afolabi contribute to the betrayal of the heads of states? You select the answer. If the answer is correct, you'll automatically go to the next question. So you check the answer. If it's wrong, the questions will be marked and you'll earn points for every quiz that you do. So we want to go to examinations. We want to now download notes. So if you go back to lessons and then you click on Form 1 notes, click on chemistry, and then so we want to download air and combustion Form 1 chemistry notes. So the same process, you just click on download PDF. You're about to download the PDF now. So this is how the PDF notes looks like. So it's summarized and detailed for easy use.